your experience in Dolby?
My experience is really good. We learn a lot of new things, and also the old name which we are used to do at their side, at our place, we are more specify and more meticulous, and we are aware about more safe techniques at this place. And the foremost thing we are learning here, and we learn the most important is proper evaluation of a patient with pain, and what to do, what are the options available to us in that situation.
Why did you choose Dolby?
Because most of the time patient complains of pain. The most common symptom of a patient is pain, and when it's a most common symptom, it is always necessary that we should know as much as possible regarding that symptom, because it is not the one single cause which is producing the pain. There are number of factors for that, and number of disease, number of causes for that. That's why to know something more about that aspect, I came here for that purpose.
What have you actually learned in the 14 days course? How much is it possible to make a person confident that he can deal with pains in different patients?
Of course, what we learned in this 14 days just now I told is proper evaluation. That is first of all is the foremost thing. Because proper evaluation means we should know from where what is the source of that pain. The part of the intervention aspect comes after that. And that thing is foremost for the proper evaluation, and that we learned here. Of course, we also learned interventions. We also saw number of procedures, various safe techniques which are demonstrated on mannequin as well as on the patients we saw. And we are aware of those procedures as well.
So after your field is neurosurgeon?
I am a neurosurgeon.
Neurosurgeon. So after getting back from this training, do you think the neurosurgery or that particular field what you have learned for many years is going to be your focus, or pain is going to be your focus?
Definitely pain will be the focus. I will try to explore this aspect, this branch more as compared. Of course, I have to practice other fields as well, because the place I am working there I am primarily employed as a neurosurgeon. So I have to fulfill that responsibility also. So in addition to that, I will definitely practice for pain.
How much is it popular where you are working, this pain practice, pain management, intervention, pain management? It's an absolutely unique, new kind of technique. How much being accepted by patients?
Of course, it's a new technique, it's a new developing branch, it's a multimodal approach towards a patient of pain, but definitely new things took some time to establish itself in a society, and for that we have to put some effort on that line. But definitely it will flourish, it will come up as a different separate field, and I think we should be able to convince to the patients regarding the beneficial effects of all these things, interventions in pain.
Just your name, the hospital you're working for?
Myself, Dr. Sandeep Sorte. I am working at Bhopal Memorial Hospital and Research Center at Bhopal.